The videos you're currently watching have been completely generated with AI. Yep, you heard it right. Today, I've got a nifty tool to share with you. This tool can take any image or text and magically transform it into a video. But hey, before we dive into the video, don't forget to give that subscribe button a friendly tap and hit the bell icon. So I have divided this video into 3 parts. First, how to gather images. Second, converting images to videos. Third, transforming text into videos. To obtain the images, we'll be using Leonardo AI. In case you're not familiar with this tool, check out the video in the I button first. Once you're on the website, simply log in via your Google account. After logging in, click on the 3D animation style option. Then hit Generate with this model and input this prompt. After that, click the Generate button. Once the image pops up, click on it and then tap this icon to upscale the image. This step is super important, so don't skip it. Once the image is upscaled, hit the download option to get it. And voila, we've got our image good to go. Next up, converting the image to video using Runway ML. Sign in with your Google account, similar to before. Once you're in, click on Text Image to Video. Upload the image we created with Leonardo AI, then hit Generate. While it's making the video, how about you share your favorite AI tool in the comments so I can bring up videos on those as well. Look, the video's ready, but hold up, it's only 4 seconds long, which might not be enough. No worries though. With the free version, you can extend it up to 16 seconds. Just hit extend and your video will be extended to 8 seconds. Keep the process going. Next, but I will show you a quick demonstration of how to convert text to video. Go to the text option here and enter the following prompt. Then hit the Generate option and within few seconds, the video will be generated. Time for the secret tip. Let's jump onto YouTube and search for children's animation stories. Notice how channels with this content rack up millions of views? Here's where your creative genius comes into play. Craft your own animation videos in that vein and watch the money roll in. Give it a try. That's all from my side today. Thank you for watching.